Hello, hello. All right, we got to talk about this. You're talking about being at a point where somebody looks at you and you're in the audience. Maybe you're in the audience and one more. All right, let's talk about how to do a presentation or a speech with zero preparation. All right, and the timer starts now. We've got 3 minutes and let's go. So I'm talking about you being at a point where maybe you're in the audience and somebody points to you and they say, you, it's time for a presentation and come up and talk about trampolines right now. What do you do? Okay. So here's what I want you to remember. Your presentation or your speech, anything that you're giving needs to have 3 basic points. This is a simplified version of the total beginner's point video that I just did last week, okay? But this is, you need some sort of intro, you need some sort of story, and then you need some sort of ending. The reason for that is people love stories and people want to be moved to action of some sort, okay? So your intro, it can be as simple as, all right, let's say, I'm going to talk about notepads. I've got a green notepad here. It can be as simple as, I remember when I was a young child and I really loved notepads. In fact, I was a paper hoarder. And I remember one time I found a particularly fun notepad and it was at my cousin's house. And instead of asking if I could use it, I just took it and I stole it and I took it home with me. And I will always regret that. I might still have that notepad. And every time I think of it, it's a reminder that having integrity means more to me than having something in the moment. Okay, simple story. And then at the end, I would say something like, so the next time you're in a position where you're thinking about, oh, it's just only a small deal. It's only a notepad, like, you know, is that really a big deal? Just think back on my story and think, okay, are you at a point where you want to compromise your integrity and what you care about most for a simple notepad? Or do you want to return it? Something as simple as that. I just came up with that off the fly to demonstrate this, but that's what you're looking to do. You've got an intro. It's, hey, I remember this time I had a notepad and I was young. I was 8 years old or I was actually like 5, but, and then you've got some sort of story, you talk about it, and then the ending is some sort of invitation. So my invitation to you is XYZ, go do this. Now, think about that when you are giving your own presentations. What do you want to do and how are you going to do it? So that is as simple as, I know I need those 3 points and I know I'm going to share a story and I know I'm going to associate that story with some sort of real life experience that I had, and I know I'm going to invite them to do something by the end. Okay. Hopefully that was helpful for you guys. If you like this is 3-minute presenting and public speaking hacks. So give this video a subscribe and we'll see you next video. Oh, 20 seconds left. Oh my goodness. That's awesome. All right, well, see you guys next time.